is Alessandro Comerci. I'm a senior trainer at CABL, Conti Advanced Business Learning, company that teaches negotiation, influencing and procurement trainings. Today, I want to spend a few minutes to talk about one of the most common mistakes of buyers, even the most experienced ones. We tend to fall behind a price increase request from a supplier into what I call a trap, but in reality is the suppliers using a technique which we call anchoring to put the stick in the ground and say, well, I need a 5% increase or I need a 10% increase. And what we actually react with almost instinctively is, oh, explain me why. Actually, what I want to tell everybody is like probably what the supplier wanted is exactly we fall into that trap, because now it's going to be a lot more difficult to step back from that initial anchor that the supplier puts and the stick on the ground. Why is that? Nowadays it's so easy to prepare a negotiation, and good suppliers, a good salesman are actually very well prepared, and they actually have very few strong arguments to be able to justify the price increase request. So by asking, tell me why and explain me why is that and why so much, we actually dig our own grave. We get into that trap and dig even deeper, because what we should actually be doing is not reinforcing the anchor that the supplier has put, but actually use what I call a counter anchor or resetting the anchor, which is normally something completely opposite to what the supplier comes from. And in reality, something like, well, actually, our business cannot afford price increases to our clients. So let's work out ways that we can offset this price increase by working on common saving programs. Or why don't we look at innovation and new products we can launch with you, so that this increase that you're facing on certain feedstock can be offset in other ways. But definitely we cannot accept price increases just like that. But what I want to leave you with today is, do not fall into the trap right away. Try to re-anchor and reset the basis from which the supplier needs to fight very, very hard or collaborate to recover some margin that they lost. And I think it's going to be a lot more likely that you get somewhere in between or somewhere closer to what your objective is, or eliminating at times the entire price increase. To another time. Thank you for listening. Bye.